Solar chargers. Solar chargers are a great option for people always on the move. If people are always traveling, a solar charger is a wonderful user-friendly option that won't drain resources. ICP solar chargers are an excellent brand of charger that is guaranteed to work. If you are dependent on your battery to operate machinery or vehicles, this guarantee is essential. Having a battery charger that does not work when you are stuck miles away from civilization is not a good thing. ICP solar chargers are also a great idea for backup power in a small home or cabin. Solar power has often been commended for its environmentally friendly capability to provide energy. One solar panel can charge a 12-volt battery in full with direct sunlight at a rate of 7 amps or more. The power is then electrochemically stored within the battery. ICP offers a range of chargers for devices like cell phones, PDAs, and other small electrical appliances. With these chargers, you simply plug the device into the solar charger and let it do its job. ICP also offers chargers for higher power machines like cars, motorcycles, heavy-duty trucks, even marine and RV applications. The ICP solar chargers range in price from $30 to $500. However, it is well worth the investment and there are no recurring electrical utility costs associated with charging.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.